How to fix Word Zoom not working. You try to zoom in or out on your document, but the zoom slider in the bottom right corner is completely grayed out and frozen. Even holding down the Control key while spinning your mouse scroll wheel does absolutely nothing to change the page scale. Don't worry, your software isn't broken. Word has just locked your page layout into a hidden display mode. Let's unlock it. So the absolute number one reason Zoom breaks in Microsoft Word is a layout setting called side-to-side page movement. This mode forces your document to flip horizontally like a physical book, which completely disables Word scaling engine. So let's switch it back. Move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon and click on the View tab. Look right next to the Zoom tools for a section explicitly labeled Page Movement. And you will see that side to side is currently highlighted and active. In my case, it's actually not, as you can see, but what if I enable it? As you can see now, I have two pages, one next to each other. Then just move your mouse and click the vertical button next to it. And the exact second you click vertical, look down at your bottom right corner. The zoom slider instantly switches from gray back to bright white, completely unfrozen and ready to use. So the zoom is right here. And now we can use it, as you can see, easily. Now, if your layout wasn't set to side, but your zoom is still locked, check your active viewing mode at the bottom right interactive track. If you are accidentally trapped inside read mode, Word strips away your custom zoom bounds. Simply press the escape key on your keyboard to snap back to the standard print layout view. If it's still acting sluggish, a quick system refresh will fix it. So press and hold Ctrl on your keyboard while scrolling your mouse wheel upward to force the rendering engine to scale the text canvas manually. This breaks any temporary interface focus freezes across your entire Windows. Your workspace interface layout is now completely unlocked, giving you seamless, fluid scaling control over your document text boundaries once again. So that is it, guys. Enjoy the tutorial as always. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.